The event's very important to someone like me who works in the fluid flow measurement industry because it brings together literally the finest minds in the industry from all around the world. So every year I come here, I learn something new, I can take that back to my work and improve what I do for the National Engineering Laboratory.
It's a chance to keep abreast of new technology and particularly in the area of the energy transition. We're all pretty much in at the deep end and having to learn about new fluids, hydrogen, carbon dioxide for example, and this is just the perfect opportunity to get up to speed on what the state of the art is.
I like to come here because I can meet everybody at once.
In my job, my company asks me to be involved in every topic in which metering is involved, and this workshop gives me the answer.
With the energy industry suffering so many changes at the current time, I think it's extremely important to get, as it were, ground truth, to recalibrate. And whilst it's important to hear the latest developments in various areas, including reporting on one's own developments, it's also very important to just hear and talk to colleagues in industry and academia to understand how they view the very rapid changes that are taking place. And so, for example, the plenary this morning was extremely valuable in providing that big context information on what's happening in the energy industry at present.